you're going to stand right here in front of my clerk and be sworn in.
Hello. Can you please state and spell your first and last name? Mendoza, M-E-N-D-O-Z. Thank you. Raise your right hand, please. You just solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yeah, go ahead and have a seat right here. You'll scoot into that microphone there.
Would you please introduce yourself to the jury?
My name is Lynette
And what's your last name?
Mendoza.
Thank you. Do you currently live here in Arizona?
I do.
Back on October 2nd of 2019, where did you live?
In Gilbert,
And what was your address back then?
3893 East Fairview Street.
And how long did you live at that location?
In total, 6 years.
Okay. I'll show you. I can have my paralegal approach with Exhibit 2. You to look at Exhibit 2, a map. Does that show sort of the area of your neighborhood as well as where your house would have been located back in October 2nd of 2019?
Yes.
State will move to admit Exhibit 2.
Any objection?
No objection.
2 is admitted.
Thank you. Okay. So you told us your address was 3893 East Fairview Street.
Yes.
We see Fairview here on Exhibit 2. Approximately where was your residence on this map?
It is the house on the very corner.
Is it the corner of Fisher and Fairview? Or which corner are we talking about?
It's been a little while. It's been a little while. I'm sorry. It's,
There's a map right in front of you.
oh, sorry. I'm trying to think. Wrecker. Turn
This
down.
is Fairview.
Right. So it's either Fisher or Cole. I can't remember which street corner. So there's a park, and it's right on the corner.
Okay.
Fry, Wrecker, turn in, Morelos, around to Fairview.
Let me put up 3. Is this the park you're talking about?
Yes.
Okay. So right on the corner here.
Phillips. Yes, right there on the corner.
Okay. So you're
Right there. Yes,
right
ma'am.
here. Okay.
Yes, that's the house.
Back on October 2nd of 2019, did you have a Ring doorbell?
Yes.
Did your front door sort of face out towards Fairview Street?
Yes.
And do you recall sort of where your Ring doorbell was located?
Yes.
Where was it?
So from the front door, it sat off to the left-hand side if I was in the home at the front, and it faced out towards that street.
Did it sometimes get a little bit of this intersection here?
All the time, yes.
Okay. And was it sort of motion activated?
Yes.
Okay. So that means that when there was some sort of vehicle going by, it might activate it to start recording.
Yes.
Do you recall back on October 2nd, an officer coming around and asking you if you had a ring system and to kind of look in the time range of 9:15-ish to see if you had any footage of vehicles going by?
I do.
And were you asked to email any recordings to the police department?
Yes,
And did you do that?
I did.
And Your Honor, I've shown the defendant Exhibit 120, if I can have my paralegal show that to the witness. Did you recognize that as your residence
Yes,
and your ring video
yes,
and the footage that you sent to the police?
yes,
Did it have both audio and video?
yes.
State will move to admit Exhibit 120.
Any objection?
No objection.
120 is admitted.
Yes, if we can move to the And if we could just show at the beginning we missed where. Right. So when you had you had your ring video, would it sometimes like glitch and you'd see a vehicle like we saw in the beginning, a black vehicle?
Yes,
So in this video, were you asked to look for vehicles and a sound of any shooting?
I remember being asked to look for a vehicle crossing in that time, and I saw that at the beginning of the vehicle you see, or the video, you see the vehicle, and that was what I noticed first.
Okay. And then when you were watching it yourself, you heard a bang noise?
Correct.
And so, given that, looking for the black vehicle and then you noticing the bang, that's what you sent to the police?
Yes,
And that's your home sort of looking out, as we said, of Fisher and Fairview?
yes.
Thank you. The state has no other questions for this witness.
Cross-examination?
No, Your Honor, no cross.
Any questions for this witness from the jury? Don't see any. Ma'am, you can step down. Thank you.
Thank you.